What if you could train like it's real? Medical and nursing education is evolving, but too often clinical training still depends on limited access to labs, to mentors, to real-life practice. Introducing our virtual reality training platform for medical and nursing students, built to help you learn clinical procedures the way they're meant to be learned. By doing, built by medical professionals for the doctors and nurses of tomorrow, you can practice real procedures step by step, from patient assessment to diagnosis to surgical technique. You get feedback on every action, every step, know where you made an error, and repeat until you get it right. No need for cadavers, no scheduling labs, no pressure of a live exam. Use it in a virtual reality for full immersion. Just focused, hands-on learning, accessible anytime, from anywhere. Our platform gives you the freedom to learn deeply and the confidence to perform when it matters most. Apply for early access today and stay in the loop.